Looking to make the most of the crypto boom in 2024? Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, there are numerous ways to earn with cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll break down the top 11 proven methods to help you build wealth in the digital economy. Let's dive in. Earning with cryptocurrency can be done in several ways, depending on your goals, risk tolerance, and experience level. Here are some popular methods. 1. Buying and holding, long-term investment. This is one of the most straightforward methods. You buy cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others, and hold them with the expectation that their value will increase over time. This strategy is known as HODling. When the price rises, you can sell for a profit. It's a long-term approach and works best for those who believe in the long-term potential of certain cryptocurrencies. 2. Staking. Many blockchain networks offer staking, where you lock up your crypto assets to help maintain the network security. In return, you earn rewards. This is common with proof-of-stake, POS, networks such as Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot. Staking typically offers annual returns based on the amount of crypto you lock up. 3. Crypto mining. Mining is the process of using computing power to solve complex mathematical problems, which helps verify and secure transactions on a blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency for their work. Bitcoin mining is the most well-known, but other coins, such as Litecoin and Ethereum, can also be mined. Keep in mind that mining requires specialized hardware and consumes a lot of electricity, making it a high investment, potentially high return method. 4. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Yield farming involves lending your cryptocurrency on decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, where you provide liquidity to earn interest or rewards. Liquidity mining is similar, but instead of simply lending, you add liquidity to decentralized exchanges, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and get rewarded in tokens. Yield farming and liquidity mining are popular ways to earn passive income but can be risky due to volatility and smart contract vulnerabilities. 5. Crypto trading. Trading crypto is another way to earn, but it requires knowledge of the market and strategies like day trading or swing trading. You can buy low and sell high, profiting from price fluctuations. Some popular strategies include scalping, making small, frequent trades, and arbitrage, profiting from price differences across different exchanges. 6. Airdrops and forks. Airdrops are when blockchain projects give free tokens to holders of an existing cryptocurrency. This is often done to promote a new project. Forks, on the other hand, occur when a blockchain splits into two, and holders of the original coin are given the new coin. For example, Bitcoin holders received Bitcoin Cash during its fork. 7. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, or token sales. You can earn by investing early in ICOs or token sales. These are events where new cryptocurrency projects raise capital by selling their tokens at a discounted rate before being listed on exchanges. If the project succeeds, the value of the tokens can increase, providing high returns. 8. Earning crypto via work or services. Some companies or platforms pay in cryptocurrency for services rendered. You can freelance, develop, or offer other services and get paid in Bitcoin or other cryptos. Websites like Bitwage or CryptoJobsList offer opportunities to work for crypto payments. 9. Crypto lending. Lending platforms allow you to lend your cryptocurrency to others in exchange for interest. Platforms like BlockFi, Aave, and Celsius provide such services, and the interest earned can vary based on the amount and type of cryptocurrency lent. 10. Play-to-earn games, P2E. In recent years, blockchain-based games like Axie Infinity allow players to earn cryptocurrency by playing games. You earn tokens through in-game activities, which can later be exchanged for other cryptos or fiat currency. 11. Crypto faucets. Crypto faucets are websites or apps that give away small amounts of free cryptocurrency, usually for completing tasks like watching ads, playing games, or solving captchas. Though the earnings are small, it's a way to get started without any investment. Remember, each method comes with varying levels of risk. Always research and assess the risks associated with each method before diving in. Some methods, like trading and investing in ICOs, are riskier than others, such as earning through work or staking. It's crucial to stay informed and cautious when navigating the crypto space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on digital wealth, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and start earning with crypto.